IIT, IIM people can become entrepreneurs. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There are no peaks. There are just a lot of step ups for you to climb the mountain. You cannot run up the mountain. You just need that one little dhakka to just show up and do it. And that's the most important thing.
तो वो कहते हैं कि वो स्त्री है, वो कुछ भी कर सकती है, वो मकान को छूकर घर कर सकती है, और अगर अपनी पर आए तो पूरी दुनिया मुट्ठी में कर सकती है, क्योंकि वो स्त्री है, वो कुछ भी कर सकती है. So right now we have one super woman with us. We have Radhika Ghai, who is CEO and founder of Kind Life and India's first woman to enter the Unicorn Club. Radhika, a very warm welcome to Womenpreneur.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
So Radhika, tell me, what is the biggest flex of being an entrepreneur in today's world?
You know, the biggest flex is that you're a builder and you're truly building. And I think that for India to progress, and Modi ji has said that himself, we need more and more entrepreneurs. So I'm very grateful and proud that I'm able to contribute to the growth of India as well.
और अगर कोई ऐसा मिथ है जो आप तोड़ना चाहती हैं अबाउट विमेन इन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, तो वो क्या होगा?
I think सबसे बड़ा मिथ ये है कि only the IIT, IIM people can become entrepreneurs. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. If you have a good idea and if you're good at operations and if you have great execution skills, you can do it too.
टैलेंट जो है वो पावर कर जाएगा.
बिल्कुल 100%. टैलेंट और बहुत सारा हार्ड वर्क जिसकी और तुम्हें वैसे भी कमी नहीं है, तो बिल्कुल.
And I know you have like amazing entrepreneurial journey, but if I may ask, what is the proudest moment of your journey so far?
I think the proud moment is literally, I would say, every day when I see things improve over the previous day. And, you know, I've been in the business long enough to realize that there are no peaks. There are just a lot of step ups for you to climb the mountain. You cannot run up the mountain. And that's the proudest moment I have.
And as I see कि there is always up and down to rate the progress of your life. और अगर बिल्कुल ऐसे अप होगा तो वो जो ग्राफ है वो भी ऐसे खूबसूरत नहीं लगेगा, right? So Radhika, for all the women entrepreneurs out there who are looking up to you and who look up to you as role model, what will your message be?
I would say that one of the most important things is to just show up and take that plunge and just do it. Cannot be that there cannot be less emphasis on that. There are a lot of things holding us back. I think you just need that one little dhakka to just show up and do it, and that's the most important thing.
Just do it.
Just do it. बिल्कुल. Nike का slogan है पर हम अपना रहे हैं.
All right, Radhika, thank you so much for being with us.